So what is DevOps? DevOps is more of delivery pipeline where you do build of what? Build of the infrastructure. Okay. So the developer on the left hand side of your screen, there is a developer who would have written a code. And now it is time to test that code. Okay. Whenever it is supposed to be tested, developer says, I need an environment to be tested. He cannot just test it on a single machine, right? He needs a complete environment so that it replicates the similar environment of a production, and so that whatever he is trying to develop coincides with the production system. If not, he might have developed something else. When he's putting it on a production, it could be something else. Possible, right? So every time he needs some kind of environment, that creation of that environment, if I give it to a system admin guy, yeah, they can do it, but don't you think if they have to create it every day, there's going to be a human error because of their fatigue, their frustration? It could be anything. There's a continuous monotonous same 20 machines he has to create for a single set of codes to be tested. If I can automate that process without human error, that process, the first step towards that is called DevOps. Okay. We also call that process as CI/CD, continuous integration and continuous deployment.